Hey there everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So on this video I want to go over the top categories that you can sell on Amazon and hopefully make even more profits, more money, and run a better business overall long term. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think these categories are pretty good or if I'm missing something up in the video. So the first category that we need to go over is the beauty slash personal care category. Now this is one of the best categories to sell in on Amazon because think about it guys, everybody needs hair products, women need beauty products, and so these are basically replenishable products that you can continue to just keep selling month after month after month. Okay, we guys need our shampoo, we need our conditioner, women need the same thing, they're always looking for the 2-packs, 3-packs, and so when you're in these categories you realize that holy crap, these products are just everyday staple household goods. And so with that in mind, you're able to just buy the same products, keep replenishing them. And now obviously the price may fluctuate with sellers hopping on and off, but regardless, you can definitely rely on the beauty slash personal care category to find sustainable products long term that can continue to flourish your business and really scale it up. So now let's go into the second category that I believe is a very good category to sell on Amazon, and that is the grocery category. Man, I cannot stress enough how much groceries have done very well for our business. And now again, for some people they may not like the grocery category because the margins are a bit smaller versus with something like apparel, shoes. With groceries, your margins can be as low as $1, $2, $3 depending. But the thing about groceries is that you're playing a volume game. So even though you only make like $2 per unit or something, if you're able to sell 100 of them per month, well, that's $200 in profit, okay? And so again, the volume makes up for it in this category specifically. Now, another great thing about this category is that just like the beauty slash personal care category, people need to eat. People, rely on food. And so the grocery category is another great category to find those replenishable products that you can continue to sell month after month, heck, even day after day, okay? Depending on how good the products are and how, consuming they are for customers, they will keep buying grocery products no matter what. And so one of the best things about the grocery category is that it's basically economic proof, man. Like, people have to eat regardless, okay? Like, no matter what, people are gonna be searching for food, and if they can't find it in the store, guess where they're gonna find it at? On Amazon. And so again, that's one of the best reasons why the grocery category is one of the best categories out there. But again, the margins are smaller compared to other categories, but if you have the volume and you're able to get those really good prices, then it makes up for it very, very well long term and gives you a really healthy, sustainable business because you're just buying these back to back. Now, the next category that I want to go over is the pet supplies category, or anything just pet related, okay? It could be the food, supplies, clothing even. In today's world, in 2023, it's crazy, but people actually love their pets as much, if not probably even more than their own kids. And so people are out there just constantly buying stuff for their pets, whether it's dogs, cats, reptiles, birds, or whatever. People are buying these products like crazy on Amazon, okay? And I've been on a ton of pet product listings before, and the rank volume on these products are just super insane, okay? Now the margins can vary, doesn't matter. Now the margins can vary, obviously, but this is one of the best categories to get in on Amazon just because, again, people really love their pets. We're in a weird situation for it. It's just a huge thing right now. But and if you're able to capitalize on it right now, then you will make some money, assuming you get the right prices, the right products, and you're able to just tackle on that category and really dive in, okay? This is one of the best categories out there in general because, again, it goes back to that replenishable model, okay? You're able to replenish, cat food, dog food, or something. You can, buy the products and just continue to restock, sell out, and just a whole cycle all over again. Again, these are products that people are going to be buying regardless of what's happening in the world right now. So and again, people love their pets, so they're going to buy food, their clothing, or whatever, and they'll go to Amazon. Heck, even pet toys and whatnot, like the chew toys and whatnot. So yeah, this is one great category to get yourself into if you plan on selling on Amazon. Now, another great category that you guys need to get in is on office supplies, okay? And this could vary from like desk, pens, paper, all that stuff that businesses need. this is a great category to get in on, because again, it goes back to replenishables. People, businesses are going to need pens, they're going to need highlighters, they're going to need copy paper, they're going to need printers. Anything you can think of that's business wise that a business will use, they're going to use it no matter what. They're going to want to buy these products no matter what on the platform, aka Amazon. And so if you can get in this category, then you will make some really, really great money. I mean, there's even like grocery specific office products out there that you can really get into if you really dig in there. Now, one of the best things about the office supply category is that, since these are businesses that are buying your products, you can set up even business volume discounts if you want to offer them through the Amazon platform. I'm not gonna go over that on this video because that's gonna take way too long, but you definitely want to set some type of coupon discounts on these products, because businesses will be more likely to want to buy these products if they can, instead of buying one for like something for $10 and they're able to get two for like 18 or something, saving a few bucks. They're more willing to buy that product in more volume, which will result in you guys making more product sales and more profit. Okay, so yeah, that's definitely a great category to get in on if you are planning on selling on Amazon or you don't know where to start. Right now, some final thoughts before we wrap up the video, because these are my top categories personally, so this is all personal preference. I know some people will say the clothing category is probably their top 5. I disagree. There's way too much saturation in there. Now, obviously there's some money to be made there, but there's just so much saturation in that category that I really don't think that's a category to get in on these days, unless you have a huge advantage over someone else. But like I said, these are just personal preferences. This is what I believe are my top categories. So with that being said, the truth is that you can make money in any category, okay? There's no such thing as a wrong category, a bad category. There's just being able to pick a niche, dive down deep into it. There's not really a 100% thing that this one's better than that category. It really comes down to finding your niche, doubling down on those products, and really crushing it in that category, okay? So don't just assume that because I'm telling you these categories that they're the only ones that are profitable. No, there are plenty of other profitable categories, but these are the ones I believe are the best ones for me personally, and that I believe a lot of you will crush it if you get into them. So, but with that being said, guys, just pick any category, try them all out, see which ones fit your business, because you will have a certain style for you and your business, and just go crush that shit like nothing, right? But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna be heading out. This is the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. So peace.